friends, welcome to my channel. So in this channel today we are going to discuss about how to deploy our NodeAPI in Netlify. So I have been trying to deploy the applications in Netlify and face some errors. Now in this video we are going to fix that error from this scratch. So I'll provide the list of the step files which includes the server 11 steps to deploy our API in Netlify. So I'll provide these files in the description box. You can check it out. So it start first. We have to create the repo. So to create the repo, node API deploy, yeah. And let's initialize it. This is step one. And inside that project we have to initialize our inside that directory we have to initialize our project. So it initialized now, and we have to install this required package. So what is the access used for routing, and Netlify CLI gives the access, terminal access with AMD or commands lines, and Netlify Lambda for serverless hosting of our API, and it create the required servers. So steps, and it will install the necessary package. And after that we have to change the script to Netlify build production. So let's open our another terminal. See that, and we have to move to node API directly, and so inside the package.json we have to change the script name to this. And step 4, we have to make our file structure like this. So you have to make this folders, functions. Inside the function we have to write app.js. So which, from that, this app.js is our entry point of folder structures. So inside the app.js we create our node server. So let's do that. Then we have to make function and app.js. App.js, inside it we have to paste it like this, and again we have to make this folder inside the root directory. And step 4 is complete. And step 5, we have to create a Netlify 2YAML file just like the YAML configuration files. So it builds our applications from, and look out the entry file inside the functions folder after finding that file, and it builds our whole overall project. So let's make create and paste it. Netlify.uml, inside we have to write this. So in step 6, in step 6 we have to create a git ignore file. Git ignore, paste it like this. And step 6, initialize the repository. We have to initialize our repository. So there are the two ways we can deploy our API in Netlify. Like, first create our repository or our project repository in the GitHub and connect that GitHub repository directly into Netlify, and we can add these files manually. So we'll try it first in manual manner. Now after that we have to create our account on Netlify and come back to the project and open your terminals and do Netlify image. So inside the package.json we have already installed the Netlify CLI. If you do not install this package, then it won't work. Netlify image command. CLI, then you have to install this package globally in your systems, like npm install globally netlify.cli. So I have already installed, and I will cancel it out. So we have two options. So you want to create it manually, or you want to connect this directly to GitHub first. So I will choose the options to create the repository manually. And so this is my Netlify account. I will put the site name NodeAPI 555. So name should be unique. And this is our URL copy. These are undeployed or our draft URL site, and we have this in this URL we will deploy our project for productively. So after that, we have to go for step 8 and Netlify into deploy. Netlify deploy. So it will take a server time, and we have to mention that public directory to be this folder. To know the code about that, so we have used a middleware app.use and route middleware. So we added the extra path for Netlify functions app. To access these routes, we have to add these endpoints in our route specifically. Then we can access this server. So let's try that. Then we have to go deploy production Netlify. So this is the production URL of our NodeAPI. So as I already said, we have to add specifically that in routes. Yeah, this point is ready. Further, to make it a bit advanced, you can add you can do some database connections in another folder inside the function, or you can handle these database connections and import all the data connections inside that app.js, like require indexes. So you can copy paste that code. I will provide this code in GitHub repo. So I have created a database connections code inside the Next.js file, and this is how the structures would be like. Inside the functions, we have to define all the folder structures. Again, we have to whole projects and provide the URL. Specifying the folder directory. Now our URL is live. The production URL is like, we can try app functions and slash blocks. So now we don't have any blocks. So let's create our block and post in terminal. The endpoint provided by Netlify app. This is how the production URL. So you can use this endpoints to create the blocks like this. You can create as many as blocks. Hello. Subscribe to my channel. Send it again. So now in the Chrome file you can check it out. So yeah, it displays the blocks we have created. So by following these steps, you can deploy your NodeAPI project from the Netlify services. Thank you.